A sawmill blade lasts 5 to 10 years. But when its jagged edges wear thin, it can't cut logs anymore. Luckily, the carbon steel can be salvaged. A computerized high-pressure water tool cuts into a stack of 3 sawmill blades. In doing so, it carves out numerous knife blade blanks. The computerized tool also cuts holes for the handles and a tab for attaching the knife sheath. Next, the blades are transferred to a vibratory tumbler. The tumbler is filled with triangular ceramic stones and a soapy solution. For several hours, the vibrating stones smooth and clean the blades. Once complete, a technician secures the blades in a fixture with screws. The screws hold the blades down flat and lock them in position for the next step.